experience of doing a course in direction, and how are you using that experience now you're facing dark lights again in Hollywood?
I won't be able to use whatever I've learned over here because here I'm an actress and I listen to my director and whatever disagree, agree, we do it before coming on the set and I keep my mouth shut afterwards. But being a student of cinema, and I learned a lot, Dean. I learned so much I didn't know about cinema. You know, though I've been working for so many years as an actress, you know, I realized there was so much more that I need to know. And it was a great experience for me. One of the best experiences.
How are you going to use it? I mean, if you turn producer again, or going to turn director, or going to use it in your acting skill to hone it back?
I will take time deciding. But I'll continue being an actress for a while and probably start working on a script. But that's something not immediate plan of action. I'm going to take time for that. Ji? See, you know, it always helps. You know, it always helps when you know a little more than what you know already. And in acting, definitely in some ways, you know, in some ways it can help. But I do not know how much it can help. You know, now I can think of editing, I can think of camera, I can think of lighting, I can think of that. But I do not know how much benefit I'll have as an actress. But I personally believe that it's better to have some knowledge and maybe it'll have some kind of positive effect in my acting as well. So. Yeah, it's मैं यही कह सकती हूँ कि शायद you know he's a very good guy, he's a very good brother, and as a sister I can do as much as I can and I'm doing it. So you know I wish him really all the best. You know he's dedicated, so I pray for him. सीखना तो मैं हमेशा चाहती थी और स्टूडेंट में मैं बन नहीं पाई थी क्योंकि स्कूल के बाद तुरंत आई स्टार्टेड माय एक्टिंग करियर. तो मेरे में ये एकदम व्हाट यू कॉल इट एक डिज़ायर कि आई वांट टू बी अ स्टूडेंट अगेन. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव डन, यू नो. और दैट्स इट. यू नो इट्स ग्रेट टू बी अ स्टूडेंट. इट्स रियली लवली टू बी अ स्टूडेंट. फिल्मों में कम देख रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं कम ही फिल्में कर रही हूँ और एक फेज़ होता है जो मैं कर चुकी हूँ when you're doing 20 films and you know and then you move on to being slightly more choosy, subject, character, कौन director होंगे, कौन नहीं होंगे, कौन co-stars होंगे, you become slightly you know choosier. Well, this is it's a creation of the art director. I don't know why. So.
Mr. Bachchan is a legend of Indian cinema. He's celebrating his birthday again next month. You had experience of working with him as an actor.
Yes. Yes.
Would you like to wish him something? What you feel about him as an actor? Please say us.
I would. Well, Mr. Bachchan is everybody's ideal, you know. I think everybody in this country and abroad has been a fan of him. And I had this great opportunity to work with him as my co-star. And what can I say? I'm too small, but I really do wish all the very best and very happy birthday, much in advance. And that's it.
How do you he's a like legend par excellence, but what did you learn from him as an actor?
What I learned now about him, I would say that I am amazed at his energy that he has, you know, and the kind of energy that he puts into every role that he takes. I think that's fabulous. I think that's really, really incredible, you know, incorrigible, inspiring, you know. One can only just wish that one can have that kind of energy, you know.
देखती हैं इसको कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करती हैं स्टार के?
देखिए, ये आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है क्योंकि इसमें हम बताते हैं कि एक उभरता सितारा और एक जो नीचे गिर रहा सितारा, उनकी दुनिया कैसे अलग अलग होती हैं। और ये इट्स अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस, इट्स वेरी ह्यूमन experience. So it's that kind of a storyline.
रॉक स्टार्स की मूवी से इंस्पायर्ड है, कहाँ तक आप देखती हैं? मडोना का नाम लिया शायद।
नहीं, किसी की ज़िंदगी से प्रभावित नहीं है। इट्स नॉट बिन इंस्पायर्ड बाय एनी दिस थिंग। है कैरेक्टर हैं और उनकी प्रोफेशन है कि पॉप स्टार्स हैं। सो आई गेस पीपल ऑटोमेटिकली थिंक दैट मे बी इट्स मडोना और ब्रिटनी और XYZ। अभी मैं कम ही कर रही हूँ पिक्चरें। और everybody does not constantly in their 20 years of career keep on doing big film with big directors, but this is a very good film and I'm happy doing this film. Right now I will definitely do something, but I'm taking it easy. I'm planning it properly and then I'll do it. I would definitely want to continue my production and someday hopefully my directorial venture as well, but not now. I'm not prepared now. Well, this is a song, it's an item song, like, it's a very lot of energy, lot of dancing and a lot of muscular pain on my body. But it's fun doing these numbers and I enjoy it as much as I enjoy doing any serious role without song and dance. I enjoy, these songs as well. I know, I wish it's soon too, but I don't know when. But just pray for me, hopefully, let's see. But I'm not too sure when, And that's it.